Hey guys, Rodel Fordley's here of nognoginacity.com and welcome to my channel. Nognogina City, it's Siargao Island. Hi guys, nandito tayo sa terminal and I'm heading to Siargao. Approximately, I'm going to arrive at around 9 o'clock in the morning to Siargao kasi sobrang haba ng layover na kinuha ko. Hindi ko alam kung bakit yun yung kinuha kong layover, pero anyway, tambay muna tayo dito. We still got an hour before ang boarding time natin kasi ang flight na kinuha ko is actually 11 o'clock in the evening and I will be arriving in Cebu at around 1 o'clock. Yung plano ko kasi matutulog ako sa airport para pagdating ko na Siargao, mag-start na agad ako ng trip. I hope that you will join me in my travel. This is actually my second time traveling alone. Of course, I would like to say thank you to Parkland for this bag. Thank you very much. Did you know, guys, that Parkland bags are made from plastic components, so recyclable materials to. It was made from water bottle. So meron silang process na ginawa para yung water bottle recycle nila and use in this bag. So that's actually amazing. So hey guys, right now nandito na tayo sa departure area ng Mactan Airport. Our flight is at 7 o'clock in the morning, so we need to find a place to sleep. Okay guys, so I finally found a place to sleep. Yeah. So I got 2 chairs. So dito na tayo stay to sleep. Then we'll wait till 6 o'clock in the morning. Siguro we'll have breakfast later at 6. And then 7:50 start ang disembarkation. Going to Siargao. That's the plan. Everyone, it's 6 o'clock in the morning and hindi na ako makatulog. Lamig. Makatulog. So we're now going to look for a van, heading to RJ Homestay so that we can leave our bags. Yeah! Pag walang sundo saan?
Dito sir sa pila.
So dito daw yung mga walang sundo, yung mga may sundo dun sa ibang location. Ito ata yung ihat sa anywhere. So, hey guys, nandito na tayo ngayon sa RAJ Homestay. Isang maliit na kwarto lang ito. Actually, supposedly ang check-in ay 2 o'clock pa ng hapon. Pero sabi ni Kuya sa labas, pwede na raw ako mag-check-in. I was supposed to just leave the bag, pero pinag-stay niya na ako dito. So siguro expected na nila na may darating. It's already 10 o'clock in the morning and I'm still thinking what to do next kasi I can just stay here siguro tapos go out, have lunch somewhere, and then maybe in the afternoon I can go around and tour, or maybe antayin ko si Jolo mamaya. Niisip ko pa kung anong plano namin pero sabi nila Jeff kasi nag-tour na sila today, by lunch daw tapos na sila. So if okay na sila, maybe I can just tag them along later for dinner. Okay, so right now mag-settle down muna tayo. Siguro let's take a rest And then let's do other stuff later in the afternoon. Okay. Yeah. Ito yung room namin for our 3-day stay here in Siargao. Actually, maliit na room lang siya. As in, parang square room lang. Pero yung bed, this is a master's bed. And there's a double deck in here. And may aircon. May fan. Wala akong plano actually. Yo, sarapin muna natin. Saan? Sa seat, okay. Para sa gas. So, wala pang gas to? Mayroon na. Okay. Wala naman yung Gladstone. We'll be doing a tour today. So, nanghiram tayo ng motorbike rental. So, meron silang form na pinag-fill-upan sa akin. So, nakalagay lang naman dito na if ever na mawala ako or malos yung susi or yung helmet or magka-damages, andito yung mga prices kung magkano siya. So, pipicturean ko to. We'll put it on the blog site as well para magkaroon kayo ng idea on the process on how to do this, okay? So, yan. Ang init guys, pero kaya natin ito. So, ito na nga. So, nanghiram tayo kay Kuya Aris ng bike day. Renta ko siya ng 400 pesos for a whole day. So, pwede ko na siyang return tomorrow. And, yeah, it's lunchtime. So, bukas ulit natin ito. So, that's it. Okay guys, so, andito na tayo on our way to Mapupungko. Medyo nahirapan ako kaninang i-start kasi hindi ko alam kung paano. Nakalimutan ko yung tinuro sa akin. Anyway, medyo mausok kaya nakamaskara ako. So, game. Let's do this. Okay guys, stop over muna tayo. 30 minutes of driving and huminto muna tayo dito kasi etong sila Jeff biglang parang nagbago isip. Sabi nila magkita na lang daw ng 3 to 4 o'clock sa Cloud9. Eh, papunta na ako na Mapupungko. Eh, sayang naman yung nirenta ako kung hindi ako diretso doon, di ba? So, yeah, the plan is go there and then meet them back at Cloud9. This way to Mapupungko. There. Okay guys, another stopover. So, dito makikita nyo yung mga coconut trees here in Siargao. Overview. Overlooking. Nice, no? So, other riders, yes? Okay guys, so finally nakapag-park na ako dito sa parking area. Ang parking fee, yung 4 wheels, 50 pesos. Yung mga tricycle, 30 pesos. Tapos yung mga bikes naman, like this one, 20 pesos. So, yeah, siguro sila Jeff kasi nagla-lunch pa. So, ako naman yan. I'll just enjoy Mapupungko for an hour and then we'll head back to our place. Tapos, mag-Cloud9 tayo. Actually, ang tipid nitong gas, sobrang layo na nung nilakad ko pero parang nakakaisang buhit pa lang ako. So probably pagdating ko doon magpapagas na ako. Pagbalik ko ulit. Okay, now let's enjoy this! Okay guys, so right now nandito na tayo sa Mapupungko Beach Resort. Actually nagbayad na ako ng 50 pesos for entrance fee. And saktong-sakto kasi low tide na. So kitang-kita ko na talaga yung itsura ng mga doon. Yes. Inisip ko kain muna tayo or to enjoy this beach na. Kasi habang low tide, yung mga tao. So, yeah! Low tide, guys! Swimming tayo! May mga kainan din pala dito. So, pwede na tayong umorder ng pagkain. Magla-lunch muna tayo kasi nakalimutan ko mag-lunch. Or hindi pa pala ako nagla-lunch. So, mag-lunch muna tayo. Tapos, saka tayo pumunta doon. Hindi mo tayo mamadali. Guys, tingnan nyo kasi yun nandito! Cheers, 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 doon pa nga. Vlogger. So guys, kita mo naman ang pagkakataon. Nakasalubong ko sila, Rhea, si Jaffy, sila Jeff. Nandito pala sila sa Mapupungko. Diba? Sakto! So, nag-order na ako ng lunch. Tapos, while waiting for lunch, magpipicture-picture muna tayo here sa area. And we'll check na rin yung sinasabi nilang rock pools in here. So, perfect timing yung lunch time onwards. Kasi nga, kita mo, low tide, guys. So, yon. Malayo yung dalampasigan. Malayo yung lalakarin natin. Okay, let's do this. Guys, lapit na tayo dun sa rock pools. Kita nyo naman, oh. So, eto na siya. Para siyang isang malaking bato na may nabasa. Oh, galing. Ito yung area kung saan ka pwede mag-swimming. Para siyang naging pool, but it's, of course, naturally created. Yung mismong shore line nandun. So it's like a huge pile of rock. Guys, kung gano'n siya kalinaw. Diba? Para siya nakaangat sa lupa. Galing. Look guys, alinaw niya. Galing. So, mag-swim tayo dito. Kakain muna tayo, then mag-swim tayo. Meron yung maliliit na pool. Pwede kang bumabad. Dito mo, isla! After 45 minutes, ito yung order mo.
Nauna yung order niya sa akin, ha? 2 hours na ako nag-antay.
Oo nga, no?
Hi! Therefore, akala ko na galing na to.
Hindi naman. Tinitigan ko lang sila. Finally, tapos ako ng brunch, guys.
Vlogception. May body. Vlogception.
Sobrang tagal. Naka alas 3 hours or 2 hours kami dito. So ngayon, pwede na kami lumangoy.
Yay!
Are we leaving now?
So, photoshoot, guys! Area.
Pwede
Photographer.
dito, para mas kita yung dagat. Parang normal.
Siyempre. Gusto ko na lumangoy at mag-vlog. Look guys, kung gaano siya kalina. Tingin ko ang dami ko ng sugat. Yan, sugat. So, ito nga guys yung Mapupungko rock pool. So, it's a naturally made pool na nag-i-exist siya tuwing low tide. So, best time to go here is mga lunch time, ganyan, or early before lunch. Kasi pagdating ng hapon, nagiging tumataas na yung tubig. Pagka mataas na yung tubig, bawal na lumangoy dito. I know I've read a lot of videos na and articles about it, but yeah, I'm still afraid of submerging my iPhone. Okay. Shit, give me stuff. Give me stuff. And go. Where are you going? Okay guys, so we're finally done here at Mapupungko. And actually parang nag-lunch lang kami, lumubog ng sandali. Tapos pagdating namin dun sa pool, mataas na kagad yung water. So ang bilis umakyat ng tubig. Sabi ng mga locals here, usually daw till 2 PM lang daw talaga yung water. So, ayong yung low tide. Yeah, sakto lang kami. It's 3 o'clock. We'll be heading now to Cloud9.
Salvation yung ticket.
Ha?
Salvation.
Okay guys, so after driving an hour and a half, we're now here at Cloud9 on the other side of Siargao. This is actually the best place if you wanted to surf, and before getting inside here you need to pay 50 pesos for environmental fee. So ayun na nga. So this is the famous bridge going there. So dun yung parang starting point ng mga surfers. Tapos explore the island. It's 6 o'clock na ng gabi. Yeah, we're thinking if we're going to swim or not. Let's see.